Ever pondered the art of turning the humble potato into a smooth sip of vodka? Well, today is your lucky day as we unravel the fascinating process of making potato vodka from scratch. This process, while intricate, can be done right at home with a little patience and a lot of potatoes. To kick things off, gather a hefty amount of potatoes. About 50 pounds should do the trick for a small batch of vodka. Wash them thoroughly, then cut them into small pieces. No need to peel them, as the skins add character to the final product. Next, boil the potatoes in a large pot until they are soft and easily mashed. This process is crucial as it helps to convert the starches in the potatoes into fermentable sugars. Once the potatoes are boiled and mashed, strain the liquid, also known as the potato wort. Set aside the leftover solids for compost or animal feed. Now, the magic begins. Add a packet of distiller's yeast to the cooled potato wort. This yeast will feast on the sugars derived from the potatoes and produce alcohol. Place the mixture in a fermenting vessel and seal it with an airlock. Patience is key here, as the fermentation process can take anywhere from a week to 10 days. After the wait, the fermented potato liquid is ready for distillation. This process separates the alcohol from the rest of the mixture. Transfer the liquid into a still and heat it slowly. As it heats, the alcohol evaporates and rises, then cools and condenses into a liquid again. This liquid is your vodka. But it's not quite finished yet. The first and last parts of the distillate, known as the heads and tails, contain impurities and should be discarded. The heart or middle part is what you're after, the pure, smooth vodka. Finally, dilute the vodka to your desired strength with distilled water. A common strength is 40% alcohol, but feel free to experiment. So there you have it, the art of making potato vodka. It's a process that begins with simple, earthy potatoes and ends with a clear, smooth spirit. From the boiling of the potatoes to the fermentation and distillation, each step is as crucial as the next. And while it may take a bit of patience and a lot of potatoes, the end result is a unique homemade vodka that's worth every sip.